There we go. Good boy. Hey everybody, you better wash your hands. Welcome to Two Chefs and Two Dogs. We're back again. Chef Tony Johnson returns from St. Pete, Tampa area. And we're going to be making our world famous baby back fall off the bone ribs today. So Chef Tony, you're going to start with your ribs over here, getting them prepped up. But real quick, I hear you're back in Atlanta for how long?
A day. 1
day.
Yep.
1 day. And another haircut. You come up here to get your haircut or something?
Always. That and the beer.
Yeah. You can't get this beer where you're at.
No.
This is a Scofflaw basement beer that you get that's made here in Georgia. You can't get it where he is. But this stuff, if you can find it, grab it. We grab all we can when we go to the store. Chef Tony, how are you going to get these things prepped?
So we get our paper towel. We're going to keep it right here because later I'm going to grab this silver skin that's on here after I loosen up this side. And then all you're going to do is grab it. I'm going to go ahead and just pull it all the way off. And then all that silver skin just came right off.
Now in the meantime, I got my boiling water over here. We're going to steam these ribs in slow boiling water for 1 hour so the meat will crawl off the bone and it'll come off the bone when you're eating it. So I'm going to be taking 2 tablespoons of creole seasoning, whatever you like is good, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, and 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, and we'll get that in our water.
Now I heard the best creole seasoning is Tony's creole seasoning.
Oh, really? Do you make your own?
No. They got it in the stores.
Tony Sasheries.
Yeah.
Is that you?
Yeah. No.
No.
I wish.
You come in on the helicopter.
We'd be drinking more than beer if it was me.
Yeah.
Alright, so it looks like this rack is just a little bit too big for your pot. So we're going to take our chef knife, utility knife, and we're going to just kind of cut it into nice, smaller, manageable pieces.
In the meantime, we'll drop these in our simmering water for 1 hour.
That one gonna fit?
Oh yeah. 1 rack for you, 2 for me. Now the secret here is to cook this low and slow, barely bubbling on the boil. You don't want to do a rolling boil. Until the meat crawls up the bone about the width of your pinky, it'll be ready to go. Very tender and fall off the bone. Let's go have a beer.
Let's do it.
Well, the ribs are coming along pretty good here, so we're going to do some grilled portobello mushrooms on the grill along with the ribs. So how are we going to prep them?
We're going to prep them. This is how we do them in the restaurant. I take my knife. We want to make sure we take these gills out. These gills sit there and hold a lot of dirt. So we want to just go ahead and take them out. And then what I'd like to do is just kind of even them up. So I go around, kind of like this. Let your knife do the work. So then we have a nice flat even surface. And take the back of my knife and then just go all the way around. Now the middle is edible, so you can use that, or you can sit there and take it out. A lot of times what I do with portobellos, I do what I call, especially for vegetarian dishes at work, a portobello Rockefeller. So then I'll take the portobello like this, and then I'll stuff it with a spinach Rockefeller mixture and kind of broil them, and it works out perfectly.
Wow.
But these are really nice. Okay.
All right, so now how do you get it ready for the grill?
So for the grill, I'm going to have it like this, and then I'm going to take a little bit of this grapeseed oil and just kind of brush them all the way around.
Oh, you do both sides.
I do both sides. You got to sit there and you got to season both sides. You got to oil both sides because you're going to grill them on both sides.
That's why mine was drying out.
And then you put it on here. Set it down. A little bit of pepper. Put it in there.
Now we're going to also be making some corn on the cob. You get your water rolling boil, and you add a 1/2 cup of sugar and the juice of 1/2 lemon. And then we're going to turn the heat off and set our corn in there and let it stay in there for 10 minutes. It's It's perfect every time. As you see, our ribs have climbed up the bone to the width of my pinky, and they're ready to go on our grill.
Before they go on the grill, we're going to pre-sauce them.
Now, I found that the best sauce is the sweeter sauces, like with the ones with honey, because they really caramelize. Because these are only going to go on the grill for maybe about 3 minutes per side. They're cooked. We're just going to give them a nice crust and make that sauce just come to life.